In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to draw on your Google Docs on your iPad. So like if you want to draw on your doc file on your iPad, how to do that? First of all, open your file. Now tap on this, where's this option? So now tap on this three dot over here and tap on share and export. Now you have to tap on, what is that option? Yeah. Tap on the send a copy and choose a PDF and just tap on OK. So it will create a PDF of it. Just tap on this markup to write anything on your doc file guys. So you can mark anything, like you can write anything anywhere by this trick on your doc file on your iPad. Fine. So if you want to highlight something, you can highlight like this, change the color of your highlight, and yeah, that's how guys you can do it. So guys, for more video, till then, bye bye.